Alright you guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. I want to give a Kawaii Gang shout out to Doki98, Jammin with Jayla, Erica S, and Nightmares. Thank you guys so much for being the first four to comment on my last video. Thank you so much to everyone who tries to make it to these videos. So we're using the Macart Quick Gel kit. This is the P-120 kit. So this one includes a lamp, double thick nail forms, base coat, top coat, a hand file. I really like their hand files lately, and the gel brush that's included with all of these quick gel kits. And there's 3 colors. I used them all today, and this is the set I came up with. And I'm using my Lazy Girl method with the XXL full cover coffin nails from Enail Couture, as well as the XXL extreme tapered stiletto for my ring finger, for the unicorn nail that we're going to be doing today. So when it comes to the quick gels, I really went into depth about these in the previous video I did using them. I'll have all the videos I did using them linked in the cards, but the one where I was working on my sister is going to be probably the most informative one, because I actually used them on top of the nail, not in the Lazy Girl method, and it was very difficult for me. If you're used to using gel products, this is something you would probably like. Or if you like using the Lazy Girl method, this is something you could use. There's kind of like a limit to what you could do with it. You can do solid color nails really easily and really quickly, or you could just do marbles. So that's really up to your own discretion, but I just wanted to mention how I'm working with this. So I did solid colored nails on my thumb and my ring finger. And then on the rest of the fingers, I'm gonna be capping some glitter into these Lazy Girl nails. I'm putting down a layer of top coat, sticking in some glitters. I'm using some chunky glitters that I got from Glitz and Glam. Link will be in the description box. And then this is like a fine holographic glitter from YOUNGNAILS. The chunky glitter is really cute. There's like hearts, stars, and some unicorn shapes in there. And I just went full-blown unicorn theme with this, and I don't know, I think this kit's really cute. I think because there's like less colors, it's kind of probably a kit you would partner with another quick gel kit, because all you get in this kit is a like blush pink, a nude, which is what I'm using here for my nail bed to like cover up my nail bed, and a clear. So when it comes to these glass nails, I put the glitter on with top coat gel, and then I put a little bit of the nude quick gel right at the top. And because there's no quick gel at the bottom of the nail, it's really easy to just turn the nail around, stick it on my finger, and flash cure it in place. So by the time I'm done flash curing it on my finger, I just flip my hand around and I'll put some more of the clear quick gel on the bottom of the nail just to give it some strength. And this is what I do for all of the nails on my hand, except for those 2 solid nails. And this set was done so quick, so easy. If I wasn't filming, it probably would have taken me an hour just to do the entire thing. I really love Lazy Girl method because you don't have to pull out the e-file for this. You can just hand file these because they're already in a really good shape. You can use any full cover nails you want to use. Macart has some really great full cover coffin nails they're very inexpensive. Any nails that you already have, you can use. So another thing that you'll notice, because this video is so short and moving so quick, I'm not able to really show you guys how to prepare your natural nails. Also because I'm not doing that on my own hands, because I have to be able to pull these nails off in a little bit with my peel off base coat, so I can just continue filming and doing new sets every other day. But if you wanted your nails to last 2 weeks or more, there are some steps you should take to prepare your natural nails to prevent lifting and have a full set that can last. So if you check out the video that I mentioned earlier with my sister, that video will show you all the steps that you should take to your natural nails to prepare them for any extension, including the Lazy Girl method. Because this video is also moving so quickly, I recommend that you guys go check out the playlist on my channel. I have a playlist all dedicated to the Lazy Girl method. I have playlists for polygel, acrylic, so whatever you feel like watching, even a playlist for soft gel extension nails. You can just go binge watch that if you need more information, or if you just want to learn how to do stuff. The way that I learned how to do things was most definitely by binge watching all of my favorites, and after watching so many videos, I just started to feel super confident. So I recommend you guys just watch as much and absorb as much information as you can. So here I'm doing my hand filing, and that's the awesome thing about this method is, like I said, you don't have to pull out the e-file for this. I would focus your file really closely around the cuticle area to make it flush and smooth. It just looks professional and well done. And if you had any mistakes around there with the gel, it's time now to clean it up. I'm using this YOUNGNAILS 180/buffer file, and I love buffing over the top of my nails. So now after that, I'm gonna wash my hands and I'm gonna do some unicorn ridges. Clear Quick Gel is honestly perfect for unicorn nails. It's like the perfect consistency. It's coming out really easy out of this tube. The tube is really tiny, so I can get these really precise lines. It was such a joy to do this, and I'm just cleaning up my lines to make them a little bit more straight and move the bulk of the product kind of towards the center. So yeah, that's basically it for the unicorn nail. I'm doing like 6 ridges down the nail, kind of spaced out. I feel like that looks cuter to me, I don't know. Then I'll top coat it after curing, and I'm also gonna top coat my thumbnail. So the 2 pink nails are gonna have the Aurora Chrome on them, and I'm using an Aurora Chrome from HOTTIPSBEAUTY. If you guys wanna know more about HOTTIPSBEAUTY, I did like review and try a couple of their products, so I'll have that video in the cards as well. And the cards is the little eye in the upper right hand corner of the screen. You just click that and you'll see a bunch of videos that I'm recommending to you. So with Chrome, you just burnish it into that top coat, but you have to make sure the top coat you use is a no wipe gel top coat. And yeah, after curing, you just stick it on, rub it in with your finger, or you can use a silicone like makeup applicator sponge or a chrome sponge or anything you have like that. You can even use your glove if you're wearing a latex glove. So that after the chrome is burnished in, you'll put on another layer top coat to seal it in and then cure. So at this point, I'm gonna start using the Macart Rhinestone Gel. I really love this and recommend it. It's tack free, it holds all of my stones down, and it's even holding down this super huge 3D nail art, these super big cabochons that I found lying around. I don't think I'll be able to find any links for these because these are extremely old from when I used to make like phone cases and stuff. So I'm really sorry, y'all. But I just decided to throw these on just to complete the unicorn vibe and just put a couple of like little star stones and flat backs around the cuticle area and cure that into place. And then I will just top coat right around the nails. So this video is a giveaway. Thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. I'm going to be giving away one of these kits, these Macart Quick Gel P-120 kits, brand new, haven't been used or anything. So I have one kit to give away to a lucky winner. In order to enter this giveaway, go follow me on Instagram at fitme.beauty. Please make sure you follow me. If I choose you as the winner and I go to your Instagram page and it doesn't say that you're following me, then I can't choose you because that's unfair to everyone else who's actually following the instructions and the rules. So make sure that you're following all the rules of the giveaway. Make sure that you're following me on Instagram at fitme.beauty. And then come back to this video. Make sure that you're subscribed and have your notifications turned on, set to always notify. Then the third thing you'll need to do is give the video a thumbs up and then leave me a comment on this video. You can say anything you want to say in the comment. Just make sure that you put your Instagram name in the comment. That way, once you are chosen as the winner, I can find you on Instagram and send you a message. So this giveaway is going to run for 2 weeks. Someone will be chosen randomly. There's no bias, there's no favoritism with this giveaway. Anyone can win, so you guys be sure to enter. Thank you so much for entering this giveaway, and check out the recent video. That one is also a giveaway. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are happy and healthy and doing well. I love you guys all so much, and thank you so much to my patrons, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you, bye.
Is this really your car? It's my car, babe. What you talking about?